Well, typically I get up at 5:30 in the morning, get myself together, clean myself up, make a meal, punch in. I get to work, punch in at around 6:50. I come to my workstation, I clean it up, make sure I prep myself, get my tools out, lay it out. I get my cart that has the job on it, make sure I have all my parts. Then also, I grab the blueprint and I put it on the screen so it can be big enough for me to read it. Once I put it on the screen, I get my day started by starting the job. My name is Deandre Smith. I work in the transit department. I've been working here a little bit over 5 years. My position here is an assembler. I started off actually as a packer, but I saw myself doing something better and I wanted to do better. I started assembling about a year ago. When I started, I didn't know nothing about measuring. I didn't know nothing about putting a seat together, but from me watching other people do it, and I caught on kind of quick. I catch on quick. So it took me a couple months to actually learn how to use a blueprint, because I never used that before in my life. I never used a blueprint in my life, but I know if I could do it, anybody can do it. Like I say, when I came here as a packer, and I used to always look at the table, and I see everybody putting together seats. I'm like, man, that would be interesting to do, you know? Actually be able to make a seat instead of me putting it in a box. So I wanted to hop on the table, and that's what I wanted to do, which I like even better because it's more hands-on, which is what I do. I love hands-on. That's how I learn. I do hands-on things. So once I started assembling around last year, and I'm already at the top with it. I achieved more than what they expected. Before I came to Freedman, I actually was in high school. I actually was in my junior year in high school when I was Freedman was brought up to me. And so I was in this little program at my school called Manufacturing Connect. And basically it's a manufacturing program that helps teenagers that's in high school get jobs. I came here through that program. I came into that program in, I'm gonna say 2016, my junior year, yes, my junior year in 2016, and I came here packing, and that's how it all started, basically. That's basically how it all started, my junior year in high school. Well, a lot of young people think manufacturing is just all about, it's dirty, I don't want to touch this, I don't want to do that, it's too much, too heavy this, too heavy that, but there's different types of manufacturing all around the world. You don't just have to go to a dirty factory. I don't like to get my hands dirty. Don't let that be an excuse of you not wanting to do manufacturing. Manufacturing is actually a good job, a good paying job at that. I do see myself moving on up, because I don't like to stay in one spot. I like to keep advancing, moving up. I don't want to just stay in one area because I know I can do better. You can't just know how to do one thing and think you're going to move up and advance. You have to know how to do multiple things. That's what make you good. That's what make people look at you and see, okay, I can use it from this. I can use it for this. I can use it for this. That people pay attention to that.